496,000 subscribers making over $1,100 a month with just one history video every week. And the craziest part? These videos are insanely simple to make. They talk about different countries, their history, their languages, and people are watching millions of minutes of this content. Here's what shocked me the most. Almost nobody is teaching this niche. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these history channels for free using a simple AI prompt I made for you. And yes, I pinned it in the comments. Now here's where the process becomes ridiculously easy. First, take the video topic prompt, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. Instantly, it generates multiple history video ideas perfectly matched to this niche. Not random ideas, but topics people are already obsessed with watching. Things like strange borders, forgotten countries, lost languages, hidden history, the type of videos that make viewers click immediately. Once you find a topic you like, we move to the next step. Now we take the scripting prompt and paste it into Claude right here in the blank space. Just paste your selected topic, and within seconds, writes the entire documentary-style script for you. Not boring textbook writing, but cinematic storytelling designed for retention. And this is where most people waste hours. We're automating almost everything. Now, after the script is done, we copy the image and visual prompt and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then, we paste the full script here. And now the AI generates cinematic image prompts, video scene ideas, camera angles, visual storytelling. Basically everything you need to turn the script into an engaging history documentary. We still haven't spent a single dollar. Once your script is ready, you copy it and paste it into ElevenLabs. Here, you generate the voiceover. Choose a voice that feels natural, calm, and slightly cinematic. Now once the voice is generated, we move to visuals. You take your scene prompts one by one and generate them inside Google Labs. Each prompt becomes a separate visual scene. So instead of one long video, once all visuals are ready, we bring everything into CapCut. Now the real editing begins. You align the voiceover with each visual. Match timing, add smooth transitions, keep pacing tight. No dead space, no long pauses. Every few seconds. And when everything feels perfectly synced, you export the video.
Imagine standing in a small village in eastern France. The road signs are in French. The flag flying outside the town hall is the French tricolor. You walk into a cafe,